Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Olga if you are new here. In today's video I'm going to share with you two beautiful and easy farmhouse DIY ideas, and I really hope you will enjoy those. If you did, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet, and leave me a comment down below and let me know which of the projects was your favorite. All the products that I use you can find in the description box below, as well as time codes. So let's start our first DIY adventure. For this project I'm using craft sticks and one wooden square piece. I measure where I should cut the sticks so it will be the same size as the wooden piece. To cut the sticks I'm using regular scissors, just be careful as the sticks tend to break. All the sticks will be 11.5 centimeters long. I use the measured stick as a template to cut all the other sticks. Additionally, I would need 8 cm sticks. I cut the stick and use it as a template for the other sticks. In total for this project, I have 8 sticks, 11.5 cm each, and 16 sticks, 8 cm each. I sharpen one side of 8 cm sticks and I'm using a piece of paper to make the sides equal. And I'm using this stick as a template for the other 16 sticks. Then I'm sanding all the pieces. And now it's time to change the color of the wooden pieces. For that I'm using wax. And the final step for this project is to glue all the pieces together. I start with the bottom and I'm gluing 11.5 cm sticks. Then I'm gluing sharpened sticks. When I'm done with one side, I'm gluing 11.5 cm piece on the sharpened sticks. And this is the final look of my wooden planter. Now let's jump right into our next DIY adventure. For my second DIY adventure, I'm using 3D wreath form, and I used only one part of it that has loops. I'm wrapping the hoop with jute twine. If you'd like to see how I did that, you can click on the link on the right side of the screen above. As this project was supposed to be something different, I got only one loop on the hoop, but I'm going to cut the other one later, so you can do it right away, before wrapping the hoop. As a base for my tray, I'm using a piece of cardboard, and I'm using burlap fabric to cover the cardboard. As I covered only the top of the cardboard with a burlap fabric, I'm using craft paper to cover the bottom. I cut the circle a little bit smaller than I marked. I'm using Mod Podge to glue the craft paper. And hot glue for the sides. Then I glue the base and the hoop together. For the sides of my tray, I'm using jute rope. As you can see, I already done with 4 rows, and I'm going to show you how I did that with the last row. To make it nice and clean, I started each row with separate rope. I didn't like how my bottom of the tray looks like, so I decided to use a burlap fabric with snowflakes that I had left over from holidays. And I'm using hot glue to glue the fabric to the bottom. For the handles, I'm using 4 leather strip. My handles will be 19 centimeters. To cover the start and end point of the row, I glued one side of the handle there. To give the handles more interesting look, I used thumbtacks at the bottom. I used ruler and piece of cardboard to see where I should glue the second handle. I used twine to measure the width of the handle. And as a final touch to the tray, I'm using adhesive stencil with the word unique. And linen white chalk pen color. And this is the final look of my tray. I really like how it turned out. Let me know in the comments down below if you liked it too, and what DIYs you would like to see in my next videos. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you will be notified each time when a new DIY adventure will be up on my channel. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon on my next DIY adventure.